by Temba Mnizwa. This is as brazen an attack on the President Emmerson Mnangagwa as one can ever give, and coming from his own deputy, it's shocking. For one, so close to the president to resort to this is diplomatically gross and strategically poor. Zalabida Mashuku President Temba Mnizwa ataka VP Constantine Chiwenga after he delivered his sermon. The was subscribe or like on the bell icon. Oliso Mdanyura Chiti, the vice president is now seriously endangering his standing by pandering to the whims of social media and the opposition by indulging in content creation. The subject matter, which he poorly dresses in biblical fruits, instead of explicitly stating his opposition to constitutional bill number 3, as any serious politician would do, shows his level of frustration. Politically, the man has been outmaneuvers and he is sincere that he opposes what ZANU-PF has come and represent. Then he should resign like any self-respecting leader. What is contesting is a party decision, and he can't continue within an entity whose thinking and direction he doesn't accept. Resigning with metaphors is the only redemptive path for him. He should resign and then canvass for the support of the opposition, which he is clearly pandering to against his own party. CAP 3 is not the product of any single individual, but is a ZANU-PF project, a party to which he belongs. He cannot reduce it to any single Hezekiah when he has been part of cabinet that approved it. He failed to block the resolution from the conference, Politburo, Central Committee, Cabinet, public hearings. And we are now reaching the parliament stage. For the ruling party, he has become the main opposition, providing fodder for continued tension and instability through such veiled attacks. The biggest takeaway from all this is that he lacks the necessary political muscle and internal support for anything of significance. Doma developments are kuda from Temba Mnizwa ataka VP Constantine Chiwenga, threatening him to resign. When I comment section, of any more really page it for each. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.